Jim Frederick with TrueScapes Landscape Lighting and Belgard Hardscapes here today to help you increase your sales. We have 3 tips to share with you. One great opportunity that we can share with you today is the partnership between TrueScapes and Belgard Design Studio. By request, Design Studio can add the nighttime demo, which shows your client how good their property will look in the evening. A second great opportunity you have as a contractor to upsell landscape lighting is during the installation process. I believe in a small demo kit kept in your truck that allows you to showcase low voltage landscape lighting to your client as you install their project. Oftentimes during construction, we can install a few lights just to show the client how great their project can look. It's a nearly 100% success rate when you can show the client how good their project looks in the evening. The third opportunity I feel strongly about is the opportunity to reconnect with any of your clients, any projects you've completed this prior year. When fall arrives, days become shorter and nights become longer. Your clients have made a significant investment in their backyard. Allow your client to enjoy their backyard longer into the evening and longer into the season. These are just a few quick tips that TrueScapes Landscape Lighting and Belgard Hardscapes can provide to you to help you increase your bottom line.